Welcome, boys, to your English class. Today in English, we are going to start our new lesson. We are going to complete our lesson that is already, we have studied half of it. So today the date is 20 and day is Thursday, and we are in week 7 of your semester 2. Open your learner's book. We are on lesson 2, ants and spiders, page number 78 and 79. So in yesterday's class, we have studied about ants, and today we are going to continue with the spiders learning objectives. So in this lesson, we are going to listen for information, and we are going to talk about ants and spiders. Here are two pictures of spiders you can see on your screen. This is a close picture of spider, and this is a spider making his web. You can see there are different spiders. Some of the spiders are poisonous and some of them are not. So we are going to study different aspects about the spiders. There are 3 questions. What does a spider look like? Where do the spiders live? And what do spiders eat? Before moving further, I would like to play track number 57 so that you can listen and understand what is the passage about.
What does a spider look? Spiders are not insects. All spiders have 8 legs. They don't have antennae or wings. Some spiders have 8 eyes and some have 6. But most spiders can't see very well. Where do spiders live? Some spiders live under the ground. Others make webs. A spider makes a web from silk in its body. The silk is very light and very strong. What do spiders eat? Most spiders eat insects. Some very big spiders eat mice and small fish too.
In this track number 57, we have learned about the spider. First topic is, what does a spider look like? Spiders are not insects. I told you already the spiders are not insects because they don't have antennae or wings. The spiders have 8 eyes and some have 6. But most of spiders can't see very well, means they cannot see good enough. But there are some of the spiders have 8 eyes and some of the spiders have 6 eyes. But even though some of the spiders couldn't see very well. Number 2, where do spiders live? Okay, now we are going to talk about what is the home or where you can find a spider. Some spiders live under the ground, like ants. They also live under the ground. Others make webs. A spider makes a web from a silk in its body. The silk is very light and very strong. Okay, how he makes his web? From the silk that comes out of his body, from his mouth. It's like a thread. It is very light, but very strong. It can make a whole web from one spider can make a lot of webs with this. This silk is very light, means it does not have any weight, but it is very strong. When some spiders want to tie or want to capture the insects, they can easily capture them, and because they are very strong, the insects cannot run from the web. What do spiders eat? Okay, now we have talked about how the spiders look like and what are their homes. Now we are going to talk about what they eat. So first of all, The spiders are of different size and shape. Their colors are different. Their size is different. Some of the spiders are very small and some of the spiders are very big. The most of the big spiders, they live on the mountains, in the hills, where there is no many pollution. But what about the small spiders? Small spiders, you can find them anywhere, even in your home, in the gardens. They live under the ground, or they are making the web near the roof with the help of the thread, which is inside their body. So this most spiders eat insects. So I told you that the small spiders, they eat insect. What about the big spiders? Some very big spiders eat mice. What is mice? Mouse. They can eat them, and even they can eat small fishes too. Okay, means some of the spiders are that big enough that they can kill a mouse. They can tie them in their web and they can eat them, even the fishes. Some of the spiders, they live on the land, and some of the spiders, they live in water. So the water spiders, what they do, they can even eat a small fish, means they are that big that they can eat the fish too. Okay, so what are the questions in this lesson? What does a spider look like? Where do spiders live? And what do spiders eat? So we have discussed it in detail.